see you there. You know, since I'm a helpful person and I really like helping people, I have a couple words of advice that maybe might help you throughout your day. Now, I love the saying, time is money. The saying is very truthful. Now, I used to work a minimum wage job every day. Don't get me wrong, I still do. But I got side jobs on the side. Now I learned how to manage my time. You know, I used to have to go through my change jar, find ones and fives and tens and pennies, nickels and dimes, just to go and spoil myself or spoil my girlfriend, pay for gas, all of the teenage necessities. Now, the reason why this book, The 4-Hour Workweek, really appealed to me is because I was so stressed out about my timing, my money, not being able to pay for things. And when I learned how to manage my time because of this book, I don't even stress about money anymore. I mean, I do because I'm a teenager and I like to blow it all, but I don't worry about it anymore because I can make it back just in a little bit of time. Does that spark your interest? Because I know it sparks mine. The 4-Hour Workweek, Timothy Ferris.